Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever thought investing is only for rich people? Or maybe you've said, stocks are risky, I'll lose all my money. If that sounds like you, you're not alone. But here's the truth most people never tell you. Investing isn't about being rich. It's about starting early. In this video, I'm going to break down investing for beginners. Stocks, micro-investing, and how regular people can start with very little money. No complicated language, no hype, just real, practical talk. First things first, what is investing? Investing simply means putting your money to work so it can grow over time. Saving protects your money. Investing helps your money grow. When you only save, inflation slowly reduces your purchasing power. When you invest, your money has the chance to grow faster than inflation. Think about this for a moment. When you invest in a company like Apple, Amazon, or Google, you're not gambling. You're buying ownership. A stock represents a small piece of a real business. Now, why do most beginners avoid investing? Fear. People worry about losing money. They think they need expert knowledge. They believe they don't have enough money to start. Here's the reality. You don't need to know everything to begin. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need a simple plan and consistency. Let's talk about stocks in the simplest way possible. When a company grows and becomes more valuable, the price of its stock usually increases. That means if the business does well, your investment has the potential to grow. You're not trying to get rich overnight. You're participating in long-term growth. Now let's clear up one big misconception. Many people think stocks are too expensive. This is where micro-investing changes everything. Micro-investing allows you to start with very small amounts of money. You don't need to buy a full share of a company. You can buy fractional shares, small pieces of big companies. This means even with a few dollars, you can start investing today. This is powerful because it removes the biggest excuse people have. I don't have enough money. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need market predictions. You need time and consistency. Here's something every beginner needs to understand. The market will go up. The market will go down. That's normal. Successful investors don't panic. They stay invested. They think long-term. So if you're just starting out, focus on this mindset. Start small, invest regularly, learn as you go, stay patient. Wealth is built slowly, not instantly. I want to leave you with one final thought. You don't need to be an expert to start investing. You just need to start. The best time to invest was years ago. The second best time is right now. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Remember, make your money work for you, not the other way around.